The new RR features asymmetrical plastic side panels, reminiscent of an engine spoiler. While the left side features a large exhaust opening for heat dissipation, the right side features a distinctive, dynamic gill design. The new M Quick Action throttle, also used on the new M1000RR, ensures relaxed throttle control and perfect handling without the need for hand repositioning or wrist rotation. As another component of the pro riding mode, dynamic brake control supports the rider during braking maneuvers. DBC offers greater safety when braking, even in difficult situations, by preventing accidental throttle activation. The powerful inline four-cylinder engine, with an unchanged output of 205 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 83 pound-feet of torque at 11,000 RPM, continues to ensure strong thrust. It now meets Euro 5+ emission standards. The throttle angle is now 58 degrees, instead of the previous 72 degrees. This offers significant advantages, especially for track use, while maintaining excellent throttle modulation thanks to the engine management system's adaptation to changes in the throttle angle. As soon as the sensor detects a certain deceleration value during braking, any simultaneous acceleration request by the rider is considered unreasonable, and the throttle is prevented from opening. This keeps the motorcycle stable and shortens braking distances. The new RR features 3 throttle response curves, defined for each riding mode: rain, road, dynamic, and race. In the standard Race Pro 1, through the newly added Race Pro 3 modes, 2 additional combinations of throttle response and drive torque can be selected. A key factor in optimizing aerodynamics is the area around the front wheel. The new RR features brake cooling ducts integrated into the new front fender, which have been optimized to improve airflow around the fork and brake caliper. This reduces brake temperatures during track use, improving performance and providing more consistent brake pressure.